Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite dishes. And this is called AFRITADA. I remember Mom used to cook this for me all the time when I was still in the Philippines. So shout out to my mom. I'm definitely not an expert, but hopefully you can learn something from this video. So let's go ahead and start cooking. Now let's start with the ingredients. Some carrots, onion and garlic, green peas, a can of tomato sauce, definitely the chicken. Here I do have a red bell pepper, and I forgot to buy a green bell pepper from the groceries, but that's not a problem. I just need to go to my messy/storage room and rely from one of my buddies. I'm just so proud of this, guys. It's definitely not perfect, but it is organic. Moving along, let's slice my fresh green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, and finally, some potatoes. So like I said earlier, I'm definitely not an expert. So when dealing with cooking oil, please be careful, or else this is what's going to happen to you. But the show must go on, right? So let's continue sauteing the onion and garlic. Once the garlic is a little bit brown, or after around 2 minutes, we can go ahead and throw in the chicken. Here we just need to cook both sides of chicken for about 5 minutes. We just need to flip it over to cook the other side. We are now ready to add the tomato sauce. One can of tomato sauce should be more than enough, at least for my recipe. Give it a little bit stir to distribute the flavor. And I'm going to add 1 glass of water. You can also use chicken stock, but for my recipe, I decided to go for a chicken cube. Either or works. Again, like I said, I decided to use chicken cubes for my recipe today because this is what's available for me. After waiting for another 5 to 7 minutes, we can go ahead and add the carrots. And then we'll wait another 2 or 3 minutes. Now we can dump in the potatoes. Then give it another stir. After waiting for another 5 to 7 minutes, we can go ahead and add my favorite bell peppers. The green one and the red one, of course. We just had to cook the bell peppers for around 2 minutes, and now we're ready to add the green peas. We are down to the final steps of our cooking. We just need to add some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir, and in a minute we are almost ready for plating. And this is my simple AFRITADA recipe. Mom would be proud. And I hope you learned something from this video today. Appreciate your time, and have a blessed day, everyone.